Whiskers, the friendly orange cat. And today we're going to talk about something very important, learning how to use the potty. It's a big step in growing up, and I'm here to show you how it's done. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, you see this wonderful thing right here? It's called a toilet. When you need to go potty, it's where you'll sit. First, you need to ask your grown-up for help to get on it. It's important to be safe. Now, when you sit on the toilet, make sure your feet can touch the ground. This helps you feel comfortable and balanced. You can hold on to the sides if you need to for extra support. And when you're ready to go, just relax and let it happen. It might take a little time and practice, but don't worry, you're doing great.
Squeeze it, push it, let it go. See the poop come out, you know. Wipe it clean and say, Dada, you're a potty superstar.
After you're all done, don't forget to wipe. Your grown-up can help you with this too. Remember, always wipe from front to back to stay clean and healthy. Once you're finished, it's time to flush. Push that little button and watch the water go down. It's like magic! And after you flush the toilet, take a moment to admire how clean and sparkly it is. Well done! And here's the most exciting part. Don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water. It keeps you clean and healthy. You're growing up so fast, and I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a potty pro. And now I've got a super fun game for us. We're going to play a game of Name That Toilet Thing. It's easy, exciting, and it's all about learning. Here's how it works. I'm going to point to different things in the bathroom, and I want you to shout out their names. So, you see this wonderful thing right here? It's called a toilet. A toilet. Say with me, a toilet. This is a toilet paper. A toilet paper. A toilet paper. This is a sink. A sink. A sink. This is a trash can. A trash can. A trash can. This is a soap. A soap. A soap. This is a toilet brush. A toilet brush. A toilet brush. Let's find a trash can. This is a trash can. Let's find a toilet. It's called a toilet. Let's find a toilet paper. This is a toilet paper. Let's find a sink. This is a sink. Let's find a soap. This is a soap. Let's find a toilet brush. This is a toilet brush. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing. Bye-bye, my little friends.